walked to the campground this morning. It's pretty quiet. Wanted to come out for this. If I'm sleeping by the beach overnight, I'm gonna go check it out in the morning. Last night there were a lot more people out. It's nice to be out this morning when there's not many people on the beach. I love it. And what a cool entrance this is to the beach. We've been traveling in our self-converted Ford Transit camper van, part-time since 2020 and full-time since 2023 after selling our home in Florida. It never ceases to amaze us how much beauty there is to see wherever we go. Washington has absolutely blown us away. What a gift to be able to explore places like this and experience the incredible diversity of nature. We don't ever want to take it for granted. So this morning I decided to walk a little bit south on the beach here. Last night we walked north to see the Tree of Life. So it's kind of neat. There's water coming out here. It's formed like a little isthmus or something. A little peninsula with the sand, and there's a whole bunch of birds out here. It looks like there's a bunch of pelicans, which is neat because our home base is Florida and there's lots of pelicans there, and I love the pelicans. And it's neat because in the distance there's fog everywhere, or mist, and I love that. Have I mentioned that this is gorgeous? I love it so much. I don't know, people ask if you like mountains or ocean or lake or things like that the best. It's hard to beat the ocean, especially when you can find different landscapes. So vastly different. Like this is so different than Florida. And this, you have mountains nearby, so you got the best of both worlds, just like in Maine. So I love it. Now this is some craftsmanship. Well done, whoever did this. Well, as much as I hate to head back, I probably should. I'm sure Steve's up by now, and probably Bill and Christina too. Gotta get back to doing regular things. Probably gotta do some work and all that fun stuff. But what a glorious morning. God has created amazing things for us to enjoy. All right, I'm back. See if anybody's up.
Morning.
Steve's up. So it is nice to come to a campground sometimes, just to take care of a few things. Like yesterday, dumping the gray water and refilling water. And then just now, I took care of our lemonade and also dumped our trash, which we don't get too much trash, but still need to dump it. And now, we're getting ready for breakfast, which smells really good. Is at the kiddie spa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All right. Breakfast is served.
Awesome. Thank you. My own personal chef. right, well, we have been. Almost fell. We have been working almost all day in a parking lot near the campground where we were. It's still part of the national park here. And we're all taking a break. It's lower tide, so we wanted to check things out here. I had to go back to the van because I forgot my camera card for my camera. So Steve and Christina and Bill are already out here. I'm gonna go catch up with them now. There they are. What do you have?
All right, ready? Pick a hand.
Your left hand. Your right hand.
Da, 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 da.
Whoa, you have two?
Oh, I got
You got three? Whoa. Look, there's a sand dollar. And another one.
Guess they don't want to be buddies.
Look, you guys. These sand dollars are everywhere. How cool.
No way, a whole dollar. Of course, with inflation, it's probably only worth about 77 cents.
Christina's sand dollar stash. They saved some for the rest of the world.
All right, well, I think we've had a pretty nice day. We got a lot of work done, but it wasn't all work. We got a little bit of play in there. We were able to check out the beach and score ourselves some nice sand dollars.
Yeah, that beach was pretty fabulous, and it also felt really good to get some work done. We really needed that, and we could do so because of Bill and Christina's Starlink for some of the things we needed to do. So thank you, Bill and Christina. Now we are making our way south again, about an hour, a little over an hour drive. We are actually following Bill and Christina to a campground that they have reservations for tonight. We're not actually sure if we can stay there with them or not. If not, we do have some backup plans, but we are hoping to get a shower there at the state park. And while we're driving, we're charging up lots of things. We are charging up our second Delta power unit, the EcoFlow Delta. And we are charging up all of our devices using the inverter here at the front. So that was also very needed. With being stationary more or less for the last few days and it being pretty cloudy and rainy, we really needed to charge up a lot of things. So it's good that we're getting this drive time in, and I'm going to do some work here while we're driving too.
It's kind of level for us right there, but
Is it?
we're kind of on the grass, and
At least your heads would be up, I guess.
I know.
So, do we have enough room?
I guess as long as I go to the right. It's all good.
It works.
It works.
Well, it's sort of like this
It's a toadstool.
A toadstool.
So perfectly pretty.
So we got all situated at the campsite, and we are headed to the beach. 3 beach times today. Score. Yeah, this beach is very different than the last beach. Completely different. Doesn't even feel like we're in Washington. What is this thing?
Mayday, mayday. Going down.
On our way back to the campground, we spotted this little guy. Isn't nature so cool? We never got sick of seeing the banana slugs while in the Pacific Northwest.
They eat only bananas.
So it's your nemesis then.
Bill's got 2 options. Bill's got a bigger stick. Oh, it's working.
It's all dizzy.
What? So what just happened?
Well, we were concerned about Mr. Slug's safety, so we just sped up the process a little bit. Escorted him on his way.
He is going to have quite the tale to tell tonight.
And Bill put up safety bumpers for him. Nicely done.
I see
I think
that.
he's turned it around.
It's always fun when we see a critter. All right, just cooking up some dinner. It's pretty late. It's actually getting close to 9 o'clock. That's pretty late for dinner. For us, anyway. Steven. He is so dramatic.
That's what happens when you don't feed the old feller till about 9 p.m.
Yum. All right, so we have our dinner. We're taking it next door to our neighbor's house. Kitty dinner time down here.
It is. Sorry, Steve.
And there's Billiam.
What's my water?
Is there really water in there?
That's what I'm known for.
Uh-huh. Pepsi.
So, keep the fork in your mouth or in your hand?
7-year-old.
How do I get food out of the bowl if I can't use the fork in the bowl? I don't understand.
I'm having cantaloupe and blueberries. And then for dessert, a snack size almond joy.
And you just have one?
Mm-hmm.
That's discipline. Okay, well, this is frustrating. We were over with Bill and Christina, and a ranger came through and said that we can't park here tonight. There can't be 2 recreational vehicles. The website doesn't say that. It says you can have a party up to 8 people, and Bill checked in, registered, said what the situation was, and there was no issue. So, we have to find another spot. It's 9:30 at night. We have to go find another spot for the night. Bummer. That's nice.
All right, so we made our way to Plan B, which was a Home Depot. It was roughly a half hour from that campground that we were at. So, a little bit frustrating, only because the wording on the campground's website says, how is it worded?
I think 1 party up to 8 people.
1 camping party up to 8 people.
Whatever that means.
So, obviously a bit ambiguous. The tag that Bill filled out even has a space for an extra vehicle. You know, I'm supposed to enter in that license plate, which he did. So, it's a bit silly, but whatever. It's not worth burning a bunch of energy being upset or stressed about it. Thankfully, we had another option. So here we are. We're going to make the best of it. Now we're going to regroup and figure out what we're going to do tomorrow. But first, we're going to get a good night's sleep.
This is where we're going to leave you for this episode. If you enjoy our videos, please consider becoming a patron by using the link on the screen that we've also included in the video description, along with information about today's adventure and our channel. A special thank you to all our patrons. We appreciate your ongoing support. Thanks for coming along with us on this van life adventure. Please take a second to hit the like button below, leave a comment to let us know you're watching, and click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget, you can also connect with us and see my photos of the places we visit on our Facebook and Instagram.